Let's learn kinetic theory of gases and radiation. It's easy. Simplified notes. Introduction: gas laws, ideal gas equation. Introduction. Matter exists in three common states. 1. Solid. 2. Liquid. 3. Gas. Gases follow certain laws called gas laws. Gas laws. 1. Boyle's law. At constant temperature, volume is inversely proportional to pressure. 2. Charles' law. At constant pressure, volume is directly proportional to temperature. 3. Gauss's law. At constant volume, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. Gas laws. 1. Boyle's law. At constant temperature, volume is inversely proportional to pressure. As per volume pressure graph, volume decreases when pressure increases. 2. Charles' law. At constant pressure, volume is directly proportional to temperature. As per volume temperature graph, volume increases with temperature increases. 3. Gauss's law. At constant volume, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. As per gas equation, combining all gas laws, PV equals nRT, where P equals pressure, V equals volume, number of moles, R equals universal gas constant, T temperature in Kelvin. ये इक्वेशन आइडियल गैस का बिहेवियर बताती है. Important daily life examples: cooking utensil, car in sunlight. Cooking utensils. Bottoms are blackened because black surfaces absorb heat better. Tops are polished because polished surfaces radiate less heat. बर्तन का नीचे का हिस्सा ब्लैक होता है ताकि हीट जल्दी अब्जॉर्ब हो और ऊपर का हिस्सा पॉलिश्ड होता है ताकि हीट लॉस कम हो. Car in sunlight. Inside of a closed car becomes hotter because heat enters easily but cannot escape quickly. कार के अंदर हीट ट्रैप हो जाती है इसलिए अंदर बाहर से ज्यादा गर्म हो जाता है. Kirchhoff's law, heat and radiation. Kirchhoff's law states, at a given temperature, emissivity equals absorptivity. A equals A, where A equals absorptivity, A equals emissivity. जो बॉडी हीट को अच्छी तरह अब्जॉर्ब करती है वो हीट को अच्छी तरह अमिट भी करती है. आइडियल गैस वर्सेस रियल गैस. आइडियल गैस, रियल गैस. Ideal gas perfectly follows PV equals nRT at all temperatures and pressures. Real gas has intermolecular forces and does not behave ideally at high pressure and low temperature. No intermolecular force. Molecules are point particles. Collisions are elastic. Real gas में molecules एक दूसरे को attract करते हैं, इसलिए वो हर कंडीशन में आइडियल बिहेवियर नहीं दिखाती. Kinetic theory of gases explains gas behavior using the motion of molecules. Molecules are always moving randomly. Molecules collide with each other and walls. Collisions are elastic. Intermolecular forces are negligible except during collision. गैस के मॉलिक्यूल्स लगातार रैंडम मोशन में रहते हैं और कंटेनर की वॉल से टकराते रहते हैं. मीन फ्री पाथ. एवरेज डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड बाय अ मॉलिक्यूल बिटवीन टू collisions. Symbol A. Formula A equals 1 V2 under V, where D equals diameter of molecule, NV equals density of molecules. Do collisions के बीच मॉलिक्यूल जटनी एवरेज डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करता है यूज. मीन फ्री पाथ कहते हैं. प्रेशर ऑफ आइडियल गैस ड्यू टू collision of molecules with container walls. Formula P is equal to 1 divided by 3 into nanometer volume square vector divided by volume. Root mean square speed. Average molecular speed of gas molecules. Formula VRMS is equal to under 3 RT by M, where R equals gas constant, T temperature, M equals molar mass. Relation between temperature and kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy of one molecule E is equal to 3 divided by 2 kBT, where kB equals Boltzmann constant, T absolute temperature, degree of freedom, number of independent motions possible, monatomic gas He, 3 translational degrees of freedom, diatomic gas 0.2 N2, 3 translational, 2 rotational, total equals 5 degrees of freedom. Maxwell distribution of speed. Molecules have different speeds. Some are slow, some are fast. Graph is showing relationship between number of molecules, speed V, absorption, reflection or transmission. When radiation falls on a body, reflected QR, absorbed QA, transmitted QT. Diatherminus, good transmitter. Glass quartz dryer. A therminus, good absorber. Water, wood, iron. A plus R जोड़ T equals 1. I equals absorptivity, R equals reflectivity, T equals transmissivity. Perfect black body theory is black body, a body that absorbs all incident radiation, small aperture. A equals 1, silvered. Surface, lamp black. Inside, evacuated space. Radiation entering through the small hole gets completely absorbed inside. The emission of heat radiation. All bodies emit radiation when their temperature is above absolute zero. Amount of heat radiated depends on temperature T. Nature of surface. Surface area A. Time Duraton T. Important feel gas perfectly, follow gas law. Two real gases behave ideally. A T low pressure and high temperature. 3 gas pressure is due. T O molecular collision. 4 higher temperature means high kinetic energy. 5 molecules are always I and random motion. अच्छा लगा हो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्त सीनियर्स के साथ शेयर करें. जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय.